Hi there, in today's video we are going to make a gypsum cornice. This is our cornice shape which I created 12 years ago and I cut small piece in order to get shape from old pattern. Let me show you what kind of materials I use for this pattern. The first material we need a piece of metal sheet which I bought from the roof metal material store. You can use any kind of metal. This metal thickness is 0.48 millimeters, and second material is a piece of plywood. The thickness is 50 millimeters and width is about 100 millimeters to 120 millimeters, and we put our shape on this piece of material edge and take a pen to draw very thick line for further cutting. Let's draw this. Okay. Here we go, and it's ready now. Let's cut it with a grinder. Here we go, this is our pattern. Let's cut it. And here we go, and let's grab metal working file to make straight edges. Now we take a cornice shape to check edges. Okay, I see everything is okay now, but we have small problems. Let's make it smooth with the metal working file. Okay, it looks good now. Let's take a plywood to draw the same shape on a plywood. Okay, like this. Here we go. And draw another line about 13 millimeters bigger than the and cut it with the jigsaw. like this. And now we need small nails to nail the metal pattern to the plywood. Okay, here we go. Now we need to divide the plywood into two parts. And make two holes on this mark with the 4mm bead and drill the 4mm hole on another plywood. Okay. Now we take a 5 to 50mm screw to screw it together. And we need small plywood piece for keeping a 90 degrees Gypsum cornice. I use 6mm glass for it and screw the aluminum profile to the table for shape guide. The last thing is oil. Take an oil and use a brush to lubricate the glass profile and pattern. Okay, here we go. Let's mix a gypsum powder and start. Here we go. This is our first layer, and after the first layer, we mix a small amount of gypsum powder and pouring it like this. For the second layer, we use a small container. I cut the plastic bottles, 2 of them, in order not to wait too much for other bottle to dry because of gypsum cleaning. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's check our old pattern. Okay, you see they looks similar to each other. Okay, I need